Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making 3-ingredient super tasty pumpkin. Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to need a decent good slice of butter, pumpkin and cauliflower. Okay. Right, let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's on the stove, or if you've got gas, you can use gas. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to cook this for about 7 or 8 minutes, basically until it's not hard. Because what you're going to need to do is after it's done, when it's not hard, you're going to have to mash it, so basically it cannot be hard. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see here, it's all in the bowl and all ready to eat. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the description in the box of how to make it and cook it. Okay, so I've just garnished it with a stick of butter and spring onion. Okay. Thanks for watching.